Assalamualaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video site. Also for 5 days running. So I also joined this site in 5 days. So before I introduce in my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Traveling. How is a tool for one part crypto related video uploaded in one other part travel related video uploaded this inside. Already 399 subscriber. Alhamdulillah. Thanks talk to you all member. So I hope it will increase day by day, and they are every day any information update in this site. So if you get any information from my site, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. So I have a Telegram voice name with a shadow gift card exchange. If you in case you are mineable, you please join my Telegram group. So my Telegram group already 129 member. So I hope you will joining my channel, share your any opinion, share your hash card and gift card, and also your inviting link in my Telegram group and other site. You can share your crypto related site in my channel, not restriction or blog. So I hope you will joining my Telegram group. My Telegram আমার টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপের নামটা হচ্ছে বিডিএর সাতোশি গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ। এখানে আপনারা আপনাদের কার্ডগুলো শেয়ার করতে পারেন, হ্যাশ কার্ড এবং গিফট কার্ড। মাইনিংটা ভাই আর অল্প কয়েকদিন আছে, no have time in your hand. So I hope you request to you will joining my Telegram group and share your hash card and gift card. You will, inshallah you will cook very shortly you will feedback for my Telegram group. So and other information available here, and new mining site available, news also available here. So now I go to my main topic. This site name is LTC Auto Mining. This new mining site. Here is the boundary program. Is their home. Okay. Is the they are about us. We about company information available here. LTC mining site. So if you can get news, you information here. Founder is okay. Founder show you. So another FQ option. LTC auto mining. Have you any question? There is a show here 80k bounty. If you have a bonus referral, show here. আপনারা এখানে বিভিন্ন টাইপের বাউন্ডারি প্রোগ্রাম চালু আছে, আপনারা ইচ্ছা করে দেখতে পারেন। সো হাউ টু স্টার্ট, আপনাকে এখানে অবশ্যই একটা লিঙ্কের মাধ্যমে ক্লিক করে আসতে হবে। সো এখানে তাদের ইউটিউবটা দেখাইছে। সো এটা একটু অন্যরকম একটু ভালো একটা সাইট, ইটস গুড সাইট। সো দেয়ার ইজ এ ইমেল অ্যাডমিন লন্ডন থেকে। দিস সাইট ইজ কন্ট্রোল বাই ফ্রম লন্ডন, ইংল্যান্ড। When you come to my link, please sign up this button. Type your full name. You can edit your Litecoin any address at this site when you are registered. But it is not needed. Type your username. Sorry, then password, and you type password, email, you type email, secret question, type your secret question. Somehow you type your you life on replicated and other option provided, any data. Then I also registered, I am not registered, and registration. So I also registered in this site, so I also logging in now. So type email, type username, password, and also I am not logging. As the account overview, also my withdrawal fund is show here. And also I also withdraw from this site, show here. So purchase my, if you get any purchase in this site, click on, if you want to edit account, type here. If you get any banner and your other site, this type here. So purchase miner, click option, use any type of withdraw free this or deposit this site. Bank wide is the support them, so it's the trusted site. Also withdraw from this site, and this site is trusted. Okay, withdraw fund, if you want to withdraw fund, so type your account and set your easily account in your site, your miner. Also normal contact is start this plan also by the so withdraw deposit also show here withdraw history. I withdraw already completed. It's a transaction ID. Okay, so no fee cut off in your balance. Okay, you refer promotion to show your banner and easily show advanced security, edit your account. If you get edit, you can edit your account, edit your account, disable your ID, so detect your browser. All is you can change two-factor authentication. You can show YouTube. Okay, so I hope you will join this site. Is very useful to you. So I hope you will join this site and keep mining and withdraw from after 1 LTC. After you get what is it? It is not limited, but you first you this you easily withdraw from this site when you reach this option. আপনারা এখানে আসলে উইথড্র করতে পারেন। এবং আমি যে আসলে এখানে আসলে উইথড্র করার চেষ্টা করবো। তো এটাই ছিল আজকে এটার তথ্য। আপনারা অবশ্যই এখানে করবেন, জয়েন হবেন এবং মাইনিং করতে থাকবেন। অলরেডি এটা 6 days 6 দিন হয়ে গেছে। This site already over 6 days. Okay, this is trusted and very useful site. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Please like this. Have you any question? Have you any idea? Please share it. Okay, in my Telegram I also share my video description. Okay, I also added this joining link in video description when I upload it. Okay, no more today. Pray for me and every time remember to Allah. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.